No, this is not clickbait. I'm going to show you how to make a soft roof rack for any four-door car for under $10. Boom, we off-road boys. Sick. We hit 65. This thing is going nowhere, folks. Let's get to it. You'll need at least one floaty tube for $1 and a set of Hallmaster ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack. You can get them from Harbor Freight this weekend from Friday to Sunday for $6 out the door. Full floaty. That's what I'm going to use. Got it from the dollar store. I'm going to cut these in half. Alright, so now we got two. And these are going to be supporting the kayak on the roof. So we have all of the ratchets right here. And then we have the straps. We have one strap going through each tube. And then the other two straps are going to be for holding down the kayak. So it's pretty straightforward. We're going to need two of the ratchets attached to the S-clips here. And then we're going to feed the rest of the strap through the inside of the car. You're going to feed the strap through the little slot, and then it's going to come out the back, and then you're going to feed the strap back over the top of that slot, and then you're going to pull until you get some tension on your strap here. So you have the S hooks connected right there, and then you can start ratcheting on some tension. And we're making sure that we have this side lined up in the pocket, and then we're going to go back to the other side and make sure that side's in the pocket too. That way we have this as far back as possible. And we're going to do the same thing on this other side here, replicate that step. Alright, now that we have our supports secured, we're going to go ahead and get the kayak on the roof. Alright, now that we got the kayak all situated and we like the orientation of it, we're going to go ahead and throw straps over the roof again and feed them through this side and do the same for the back. And what you're going to actually want to do is put a little twist in that, and that's going to prevent making some noise. Just make sure that you don't end up tangling up your strap as you ratchet through it, so just make sure that you're feeding it through flat. After you get done ratcheting it down some, just make sure that your floaty is doing its job and protecting your car so you have good clearance. Alright, now we got this all locked up. Make sure that your straps are in the locked position down. And you should be good to go. Probably want to clean up the extra strap stuff. Just get a rubber band or something, tie it together. We actually got one more thing to do, and that's to install your tow hook if you have a newer car, or if you have a normal car, just use your front tow hook and your rear tow hook to tie down the front and rear of your boat. So the audio got cooked in these clips for some reason. I dropped the camera, so that probably had something to do with it. But I'm talking about my headroom clearance. If you were to run the straps through the front, I wanted to have that in the video. Obviously I have plenty of room between my head and the strap. I'm 6 foot, so about average to maybe above average height for adult male. I got plenty of headroom And the only thing that really needs to be talked about is probably just the ratchet being close to your head. Maybe make sure it's on the other side. But aside from that, everything's good, so let's go for a test run. I thought it'd be cool if I added these little arrows so we can monitor how much sway and movement the boat actually has. We just went 70 miles per hour. Taking this turn 50, cruising at 55, swerving. Going against pretty gnarly wind. And because we twisted the strap, we're not getting that flapping noise. I think this is solid. Let's go up this hill here, going around a bend at 50. Looking pretty good. And always remember, it's the law to have a little flag at the end of these things. Oh yeah, and we're off-road boys now, officially. Intro shot. So there you have it, folks. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed this video.